So hello everyone, welcome to the second video, which is related to basic Git commands. So in this video, I'm going to work on related to Git installation and also working on Git locally and how to upload the code into the GitHub. These are all the things I wanted to demonstrate over here. So for installation purpose, I'm already created the VM here. So this is one of the Windows virtual machine. So if I go back to the points here, you can see here in the local system install git, and to work with the git commands and process you have to follow the process here. You have to copy this link, go back to the VM in your laptop, go to the browser and paste this link over here, and you can see you'll get a 64-bit installation setup. You'll getting it. Git installation we're having it. Just click on 64-bit Windows setup. Okay. After clicking on this setup, okay, once you click on this one, just click on installation over here. Just open this software. Just open this software and then click on next, click on next, and then nothing to change anything. Next, 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 install. Okay. Once you're done after installation, what you have to do is you need to work with the Git. So you go to any kind of folder, D drive or C drive, and then you can start working on this Git here. Once the installation got completed, we'll check on this. Okay. Go back to the folder and create any kind of folder here. Let's open the file explorer here. Okay. I have opened the file explorer here. Go to the this PC and then go for the C drive or D drive. Just create something like this, like my data. I'm going to create it as my data. After creating here, once you've done the installation here, after installing it, we have an option of open the Git in this local system itself. Okay, just close this one. Go back to the file explorer. Right click on it. You have see here, open Git bash here. So it will open the Git bash prompt over here. Okay. Well, you can scroll it. You can scroll with mouse pointer or press Control plus plus. It will increase the screen here. Okay. Now in this location, I wanted to work with the Git process. So if I type Git, if I give something called as, I wanted to work with the Git. Okay. Git add, or otherwise something git add is one of the command we have to do. You see here, you will get an error. Fatal, not a git repository. In this case, what you have to do? Okay, first we need to initialize the git here. So type git init so that it will initialize the git here, and then create the files over here. Create the files over here. In the meanwhile, you can see here, if I click on this one, you will get see here .git folder has been created here. Now you can add some of the files here. Okay, let's go ahead and create the files here. So instead of doing it manually, let's go ahead and click on touch command. It will add the files here. I'm going to add some files here. 1.py. Okay, test.java, demo.c, demo.js, something like this. I have added the files over here. If I type ls, you can see these three files has been added here. If I type git status, you can see these three files has been will come up here. You just need to do git add dot. It will be moving at the staging area, all these things. So I will tell you how these things works. Okay, you just follow the process. If you have the source code with your local system, you just need to work on it. So you have to upload it into the central repository. How you are going to upload it? So by using this kind of things, we'll go to just follow the process which I'm explaining here. Git commit -m and added some files. Okay, added some files. After that, you can see you will get an error. Once you're getting this kind of error, you need to configure a configuration details here. Okay, we need to know which who you are and which system it's belong to. These are all the details we need to mention here. So for that, what should you have to do is git config hyphen global user dot email. Okay, type the email over here. Okay, SM96 at the rate of gmail.com. Once you've done it, and again perform same command git config, but instead of username hyphen global user dot name. Okay, and type your name over here. Type your name over here, and then perform the same operation. Perform the same operation which you have added here. You can see now it has been committed here. Now if I check here git log, it will display all of these things here. Okay. Now I wanted to upload into the central repository. How to upload it in a sense? Log into your GitHub account. Okay. github.com. Just type github.com and then click on enter. You just sign up with this page, or if you have accounts, it's well and good. If you don't have accounts, just click on sign up and do it. I'm having an account in my case. I'm putting my credentials over here. Okay. I'm entering my credentials. Okay. I'm having some security reasons. OTP is coming. Some display it will come here. Okay. I'm entering my code in my phone. Once it has done, click on close. Okay. You can see it has been redirected here. So what you have to do is you need to create a repository here. You click on new here. We'll create a repository here. I'll just mention it as projects. Okay. Something projects is the folder I wanted to create here. Or otherwise, yeah, projects only I will mention it. I will mention it as projects. Okay. And then it is available. Okay. Just click on, after mentioning the name, just click on create repository over here. So it will create the repository for you. Okay. You go for, you can see here, you're having two options here. You go for second option because we are not going to create a Git commands from the scratch level. We're having an existing repository. We need to push it over there. In my local system, I'm having these files. I'm having these files. These files, I wanted to move it into the central repository. So for that reason, we will go for this first option. I mean, second option here. Push an existing repository from the command line. Go with this kind of setup. Copy this line. Copy this line. Okay, and then paste it over here, and then paste it over here. Once you paste it over here and click on enter, it will be added. Just go to the third line, git push origin main, but here master it will be there. You just mention git push, okay, and then hyphen u origin and then master. You just enter like this. Okay, it will upload the code over here. Before uploading it, it will get a prompt here. You need to sign in with your browser. You just click on sign in with your browser. Okay. Authentication is succeeded. Okay, you can see it has been successfully uploaded over there. If I go back to the GitHub repository, if I just refresh it, if I just refresh this page, you can see here all the code has been uploaded over here. Okay. In the same manner, you have to work it. Okay. In next upcoming videos, I will tell you how to work this process. But your project's purposes, you can go ahead before this video. If you don't aware of the Git process, you just follow the steps which I have mentioned over here. These steps will help you to upload the code into the GitHub over there. Okay. Thank you for this video. I hope you got all information over here. You can see here. I have written all the steps. These everyone which I will move on to make a next video. Just whatever the steps which I have shown here, just follow the steps. You will get a clear picture about it. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to make a new series of this Git series. I will explain about what is this commands and what will do. What will you do this with these commands. Okay. Thank you all for this video. I hope you like it. Thank you.